Can you say hi?
Hi.
What are you drinking?
Wawa.
Is it Wawa in there?
Wawa.
Yeah. Hey Emerson, do you want to say the alphabet? Can you say A? No, you don't want to say the alphabet with Mommy? Can you say A?
A.
Can you say B?
B.
Can you say C?
B.
D?
D.
E? What's on TV?
Cars.
They're cars? Are they race cars?
Uh-oh.
Can you play the drums?
Play drums. There you go. Drum. You be next Neil Peart?
Drum.
Playing Rush?
Drum.